Hi guys, my name is Brandon. I work for In Motion Health Group. Today I'm going to show you how to tape an ankle. So ankle sprains are a very common injury in various sports such as basketball, netball, football, and soccer. And typically what happens is they hurt the outside part of their ankle. So today I'm going to show you a very simple tape job to help support that injury. So how we're going to start is we're going to have her foot in this position, so at a 90-degree angle. You take some 38mm rigid tape. First piece of tape is going to go around the shin. Put it on a little bit of an angle so you don't get any wrinkles. And then what we do is we start from the inside, going to the outside with 2 stirrups. Another piece just overlapping a little bit. And then from here, you want to do 2 heel locks. So we're going to take the tape and you want to bias the malleolus at a 45-degree angle. So not right over top of it, you want to cut it by half. You want the strip of tape to start on the other side of the shin. And to come around the Achilles tendon under the heel, maintaining tension on the tape. And you'll finish where you started. Then we do the exact same thing on the other side. Now at this point, you just want to make sure that the tape is tight enough. So try moving your foot around there. Does that feel comfortable? And if they're happy with that, we're just going to close the tape off at the top. So that's how you tape for an ankle sprain. With this on, the player can get back to training or playing their sport.